San Francisco sues Kraft and Coca-Cola over health crisis. San Francisco is escalating regulatory pressure with a first-of-its-kind legal strike against the makers of ultra-processed foods. The target list includes virtually every giant on the supermarket shelf: Kraft Heinz, Coca-Cola, PepsiCo, Nestlé USA, General Mills, Kellogg, Mars, Post Holdings, Conagra, and Mondelez International. Filed recently in San Francisco Superior Court, the complaint alleges these conglomerates have engineered a public health crisis to pad their bottom lines. Moreover, the complaint positions ultra-processed foods in the same legal lineage as tobacco and opioids. The battle for accountability. San Francisco City Attorney David Chu didn't mince words, noting that while Americans are trying to avoid these foods, they are inundated by them. The filing also asked the court to overhaul corporate marketing strategies, award damages to offset taxpayer-funded medical care, and compel companies to undo the effects of what the city calls years of misleading advertising. Unlike tobacco, ultra-processed food lacks a firm legal definition. A recent case was dismissed because the plaintiff couldn't identify which specific products caused his type 2 diabetes, setting a tough precedent for broad claims. This leaves San Francisco's case vulnerable, as it groups diverse products from soda to yogurt into one category despite the lack of consensus, making it far more complex than the tobacco lawsuits of the 1990s. Still, the cultural moment matters. Frustration with hyper-engineered food has gone mainstream across politics and income levels, with surveys showing broad demand for fewer artificial ingredients and additives. The trend has led states to ban certain ingredients or mandate warning labels, prompting costly changes for companies. In response, major brands formed a lobbying coalition to advocate for a single federal standard instead of varied state rules. Opening the floodgates. San Francisco's lawsuit may be the first of many. The companies cited in the suit haven't commented, but their trade group has. The Consumer Brands Association argues the category is too broad. Consumers have choice, and labeling foods as unhealthy for being processed misleads consumers. If successful, the suit could reshape U.S. regulation and consumption of packaged foods.